Welcome to ITTV. I'm Cesar Martin, your host. Today, we'll explore how SciGraphic Game can enhance your teaching strategies. Let's embark on this educational journey. The SciGraphic Game seamlessly blends interactive puzzle solving, scientific exploration, and digital technology to create a captivating learning experience. Let's dive into the gameplay overview to understand how this innovative game works. The game begins with each group receiving a psygraphic puzzle. Collaborate with your team to assemble the puzzle pieces correctly. This phase promotes teamwork, critical thinking, and problem solving skills. After successfully solving the psygraphic puzzle, uncover the concealed scientific information within it. Explore and discuss the scientific concepts revealed, enhancing your understanding of the subject matter. Exchange your completed scientific puzzle and game sheet for a tablet gadget. This tablet contains an interactive ebook featuring questions for phases 1, 2, and 3. Designed to challenge your understanding, these questions are crucial for progressing in the game. In this phase, groups must answer all questions in phase 1 correctly before unlocking phase 2. Similarly, completing phase 2 is necessary to gain access to phase 3. Thorough comprehension is key as participants cannot advance until all items in the current phase are answered correctly. The ultimate goal is to be the first group to finish answering all the questions in phase 3. Once achieved, signify your triumph with the graphic game clap. The first group to complete all phases emerges victorious. Each group receives a graphic game sheet containing significant details about essential learning competencies associated with the puzzle. Dive deep into scientific concepts, encouraging exploration and comprehension. Celebrate the team's efforts by awarding stars based on their finishing positions. The recognition fosters healthy competition and motivation among participants. The first place team receives 4 stars, followed by 3 stars for the second place team, 2 stars for the third place team, and 1 star for the fourth place team. In conclusion, the Psygraphic game offers a dynamic and engaging learning experience. Through teamwork, critical thinking, and scientific exploration, participants embark on an exciting journey to overcome challenges and emerge victorious. Thank you for exploring Psygraphic game with us.